Hi everyone. I wanted to do a quick little meditation this afternoon around family. I've had several people the last few days, some really good friends as well as some clients who, because they've been working from home, a lot of them are feeling more alone than ever. The things that make them want to reach out to the world like family are exacerbating any issues that they have with their family. And one of the recurring themes has been, when we think differently from someone else, we feel alone. When we've got family who doesn't not only not agree with us, but excommunicates us or holds us off because they don't want to hear another opinion, it can make people feel incredibly lonely and alone. So this is for all my this is for all of you out there who are struggling at the moment because you love your family, you want to have that connection, and you're just not feeling it at the moment because the world energy is so filled with fear and hatred and frustration and loneliness. It's just in a really weird space at the moment, but it's bringing up a lot of these issues in us at the moment around family and family beliefs and the things that we feel like we've let our family down in the past because universal energy or human energy or the world at the moment seems to be bringing things up. So once again, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Okay, get yourself nice and relaxed. I am my own person within the family unit. I am able to express myself without fear of judgment from the family unit, and I allow my family to express themselves without judgment. I release all family issues and forgive my family for past hurts, and I choose to move on. I empower myself with my own beliefs. I release all family trauma. I accept my family the way they are. My family accept me the way I am. I release all family opinions about my realities. I forgive my family for past hurts. I open up and embrace my family. I recognize and accept everything my family has done for me. I release all past life ties to my family that bind me to them in this life. I am grateful for the support of my soul family. I release all family trauma. I release all the control my family has over me. I have patience for my family. I choose to love my family. I have patience with my siblings. I have patience with my mother and father. I release all control my family has over me. I choose to make my decisions free of all family bias. I am happy to be the best version of myself. Hold on 1 second. Two flower essences for us. The first one is Fringed Violet. This one is about releasing any traumas that have been brought on because of family abuse, trauma, their words, their shame that they've put upon you, their guilt that they've put upon you. So this is releasing trauma in your cells and in your auric layers. And this one is Boab. Boab is about familial genetic energy that comes down through our genes, it comes down through our heritage, it comes through our survival patterns. And our parents, weirdly, are doing the best they can with the knowledge they have. Sometimes they're in a karmic bind in this world and they have to live out part of their karmic relationship. This helps to release that energetic tie so that we don't feel as traumatized with things that our family think about us, things that our family say about us, things that our family thinks that we should be doing with our life. You are in control of your own life. I am in control of my own life. So this is Boab flower essence. Oh, I dropped it again. I am happy being free. I release all karmic and energetic ties to my family. I choose my family and my tribe. I choose to be part of the family that I choose to have in my life. Once I make this decision to be part of my family's life, I am in control. I am in control. Hope the energy in your part of the world is doing really well. Take care. Bye.